Welcome to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, my friend, is the easiest and simplest way that you are going to make high-converting sales funnels and marketing funnels. This is a tool created exclusively to convert your potential clients into customers in ClickFunnels Bridge Page. ClickFunnels Bridge Page is actually an all-in-one solution to develop sales funnels. It also includes landing pages, email integrations, invoicing for your clients, etc. For that reason is not strange that has become the favorite tool for marketers in the last year. I'm going to give you my honest ClickFunnels review, including secret functions inside, special prices, pros and cons, as well as comparations with its competitors. ClickFunnels Bridge Page. But first, what exactly is a sales funnel? Sales funnels are a consecutive sequence of steps, and they are created to transform your possible prospects into buyers. These sales funnels are also known with the name of marketing funnels. Imagine it like if it was a real funnel. In the top, you have people, and you want to channel them into a funnel. In the online world, this is exactly what happens. People arrive at your intended site. However, not each one of them are going to end up as buyers. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Different things have to happen from the moment that someone enters to your funnel to the moment they take action into a specific order. By breaking down your customer's journey into smaller sized steps, you can be a lot more efficient regarding just providing an offer to your target audience. The basic steps in a funnel might look something like this. An unqualified lead comes to your landing page for the first time. You offer something free to provide some value and to collect his email. After getting his email, you can offer him a relevant offer. This lead becomes your consumer. Start contact with him via email, providing him value. You start building a strong relationship with him and selling him more things. Thanks for watching this video.